FIR registration, statutory obligation of police. In Lalan Chaudhary and others versus State of Bihar and another, the top court in its observation noted that FIR registration is a statutory obligation of police and it is also the right of the complainant, and the apex court agreed with the order of the High Court of Patna. This appeal was by the accused challenging the order of the Patna High Court regarding the case in which the accused, consisting of 9 persons armed with sticks and other objects, entered into the residence of the complainant unauthorized and robbed the household as well as mocked the females in the family, and on resisting, the complainant was badly beaten and injured by the accused. A complaint case was filed before the Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Sikrahana under sections 147, 148, 149, 448, 323 and 395 of the Indian Penal Code, and this complaint was later endorsed to the police station to register as an FIR and conduct an investigation. But on the contrary, police registered FIR under sections 452, 380, 323 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code, and the charge sheet contained only sections 452, 323 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The trial magistrate did not notice that some sections in the complaint case filed before subdivision magistrate was amiss and automatically without a thought allowed the framed charges, and so was the same in the case with the district and sessions judge. The Patna High Court rightly rectified the errors of the 2 lower courts and gave direction to the concerned magistrate to conduct proceedings as per section 209 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So, an appeal went to Supreme Court and the apex court remarked, "It is well settled principle of law that in criminal trial, investigation is proceeded by an FIR on the basis of written complaint or otherwise disclosing the offence said to have been committed by the accused. In the present case, a grave miscarriage of justice has been committed by the SHO of concerned police station by not registering an FIR on the basis of offence disclosed in the complaint petition. The concerned police officer is statutorily obliged to register the case on the basis of the offence disclosed in the complaint petition and proceed with investigation in terms of procedure contained under sections 156 and 157 of the Code.